Are there fish that walk on land? You bet. In the vast underwater world, there exists a unique creature known as the mudskipper. This extraordinary amphibious fish has evolved to thrive in both water and on land, and its antics are nothing short of fascinating. Join us on a light-hearted exploration of the mudskipper's peculiar traits, and discover why it's the true master of land living among fish. The mudskipper is not your average fish. With around 25 different species scattered across mudflats, swamps, and mangrove forests, from Africa to South Asia to South America, this little fellow spends more than half of its life out of the water. Forget about the ocean, mudskippers are here to conquer the land. But how do they manage to walk on land, you ask? Well, these cheeky creatures have a secret weapon, their pectoral fins. Imagine two tiny arms propelling them forward, one step at a time. It's like watching a fish doing push-ups on dry land. And they are not alone in this skill. Mudskippers belong to a group of fish called gobies, which also know a thing or two about using fins to navigate the land. Breathing is a necessity, even for a land-walking fish. Mudskippers have not one, but two clever ways to get their oxygen fix. The first involves capturing oxygen from the air through their soft skin, mouth, and throat, which are filled with tiny capillaries. To keep their skin moist, they roll around in mud puddles and flip from side to side like a mud ballet. If that's not enough, mudskippers have another trick up their sleeve. They can store water in their gill cavities to extract oxygen later on. Just picture them taking gigantic gulps of water with their mouths wide open. It's like they're carrying around portable oxygen tanks in their fishy cheeks. When mudskippers aren't busy strutting their stuff on land, they retreat to their burrows. These crafty creatures dig long, intricate tunnels in the mud. To create their hideaways, they shovel mud chunks into their mouths and spit them out outside their tunnels. It's like witnessing a tiny construction site run by fish architects. Inside their burrows, mudskippers find solace from predators, rest, and even regulate their body temperature. On hot days, they seek refuge underground to avoid the scorching sun, while during high tides, they stash pockets of air in their burrows to keep a handy oxygen supply. Have you ever wondered why mudskippers have their eyes on top of their heads? It's not just for fashion. Their periscope-like eyes provide greater visibility above the waterline. These little fish can move their eyes independently, blink, and retract their eyeballs into a water-filled skull cavity. It's like they've got built-in goggles that they can pop out whenever they need a clear view. The mudskipper is not only a fascinating creature, but also a living example of how life can adapt and thrive in different environments. Their unique abilities to walk, breathe, and see on land offer valuable insights into the evolutionary journey from water to land. Who knows, maybe someday in the distant future, if the Earth changes dramatically, we might witness a new invasion of land by fish. Let's hope that remains a whimsical idea.